This video will show you how to make a job offer in NHS Jobs. Before you can make an offer, the lead interviewer must add all of their interview feedback for all applicants. Before starting, it might be a good idea to familiarise yourself with the roles and permissions of each user type. Scroll down and select Roles and Permissions. Then scroll down again and choose Offers and Checks. And here you'll be shown a list of all of the different roles and what they can do. When you're ready to make your offer, choose Ready to Offer from the home screen. Then, find the role that you want to make an offer for and choose Select Applicant to Offer. This page will show you all of the applicants available to send an offer to. However, you can choose not to offer this job to any applicants by clicking this link after you've spoken to applicants directly offline. In this example, I'll click No and return to Review Applicants. I'm going to send an offer to more than one applicant, so I'll tick the box beside both of their names and then choose Continue to Offer. Then choose the first person and select Offer the job to selected applicant. At this stage, it's worth noting that you can download the application packs using these links, and you can view the interview feedback for each applicant by clicking View Notes here. Before you proceed with an offer on NHS Jobs, you should have already spoken to the applicant offline to let them know. On this page, choose the pay range or fixed pay and click Continue. Then fill in all of the details, including the from and to amounts, the time frame, and any more details such as high cost area supplements or Inner London. Click Save and Continue. Then choose the working pattern. In this example, full-time. I'll enter 37.5 hours a week and then click Save and Continue. Then choose how you want to send the offer letter to the applicant. In this example, I'll choose Upload an offer letter to send to the applicant online. Or if your organisation has added a template to the NHS Jobs online service, choose that option to save time. Click Save and Continue, and then click Choose File to upload the offer letter. The file you choose must not exceed 1 MB in size and must be doc, docx or a PDF file. Once you've found the offer letter, click Upload. If you added the wrong document, just use the Remove link. Or click Save and Continue. Next is to select any supporting information. Each organisation will be different, so select the supporting information for your organisation and then click Save and Continue. You'll now be given the opportunity to review and amend all of the details you've entered. Click the Change button to the right of any information you need to change, and then click Continue. On the next page, you'll see a summary of the email you're about to send to the applicant. The applicant will follow the link in this email, sign into their NHS Jobs account, and then read and e-sign their documents. You'll then see a confirmation screen that the email offer has been sent. In this example, I'll be offering the role to more than one person, so I need to click View Applicants Offer the Job. Then choose Offer the Job to another applicant. On this page, I'll select the second applicant and click Offer the Job to selected applicant, and then follow those steps again. That's the end of how to make a job offer using NHS Jobs.